Hello YouTubers, today I'm gonna show you how to replace a battery on a 2016 Honda CRV key fob. So this is the fourth generation of the Honda CRV that runs from 2012 to 2016. But this is what the key fob looks like. So it may work on other model or different vehicle. This is what's the error it's gonna show when you try to start the car. So this is the error message that the battery is dying, and then this is what the key fob looks like. Okay, so this is the key fob, and what you need is CR2032. CR2032. You only need one, and you need a dime to pry open the key fob. So first you slide this button, slide it to the left, and then release this key, and then you put this key between these two tabs and try to pry it open. When it clicks, just use a dime to start prying open the key fob. This is the battery that we need to be replaced. So close it again, close the key fob, put this key back, and then we're gonna try to start it again. And then the error message should clear. Okay, hope you enjoy it.